Hello, Kenta Frenda. Video today where we will be discussing 3 of the best iOS widget applications. These widgets offer convenience and a visually appealing way to access important information on your iOS devices. Let's dive into the features and benefits of each widget. Color Widget iOS 17. Color Widget iOS 17 is a widget application designed to beautify and simplify the home screen display of iOS devices. With Color Widget iOS 17, users can display important information such as date, time, and weather in an attractive and easy-to-read widget. The application provides various layout options and color themes that can be customized to suit the user's preferences. Additionally, users can easily access the current weather information for their location, helping them plan their daily activities. iOS Widget Lonut. iOS Widget Lonut is a weather widget application for iOS that offers a simple and elegant display. With iOS Widget Lonut, users can access real-time weather information by simply glancing at their device's home screen. The widget displays weather forecasts for the upcoming days, allowing users to plan their activities based on accurate weather information. The minimalist and user-friendly design makes iOS Widget Lonut the right choice for users who want easy access to weather information on one screen. Color Widget iOS 16. Color Widget iOS 16 is another widget application that offers quick and easy access to important information such as date, time, and weather. With a variety of attractive color theme options, Color Widget iOS 16 provides flexibility for users to customize the widget's display to their liking. The widget provides useful information and helps users better schedule their activities. With Color Widget iOS 16, users can easily view important information while presenting an attractive and aesthetic home screen display. In conclusion, Color Widget iOS 17, iOS Widget Lonut, and Color Widget iOS 16 are fantastic options for enhancing the functionality and aesthetics of your iOS device. Thank you for watching.